Model, 51 plate Volkswagen Lt 35 2.5 Tdi Venture camper motorhome needs brakes repair 81k miles no VAT. Body, white, motorhome. Mileage, 81,782. Engine, 2,461 cc to EPHODP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Brake pedal is on the floor, no visible leaks, so we suspect the master cylinder needs replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear camping area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, very well looked after camper van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, fully fitted camper, electric hookup, fridge, hob, sink, bed, wind-up windows. Euro status, Euro 3. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.